Well, here it is, the 2017 project bike. It's a 2018 KX250F. Starting at the top is the handlebars. It's a set of Pro Taper fusion bars. I've had these for a couple of years now and I really enjoy the bar. I think they're great. You can lock them in so that they become a normal sort of crossbar, or you can unlock it and then they become like a flex bar. Then we've got Pro Taper grips, which I think are fantastic. They're a little bit softer than the standard grips. We've got a Pro Taper unbreakable clutch lever. I run a States MX front brake lever only because it's a little bit thinner and it feels a bit more comfortable for me. Mario down at Topline has been making us seat covers for quite a few years now. You can see it's got a great Kawasaki badge on the seat now. He's printed our numbers and MXTV's logo on the seat, which I think is so personal, it's really cool. And he's also got a Topline glow-in-the-dark badge, which I think is pretty cool. Look at the job Ringmaster have done this year. They have absolutely killed it, and of course, as we always say, look after the people that look after you. Whether you race or you don't race, if someone looks after you, put their name on there, then they feel proud, you feel proud, and it looks trick too. Something that we kept from last year's bike as well is the Xtreme Rock triple clamps. These are fantastic. Now, they don't clamp onto the fork, so your fork doesn't get stuck and your fork works a lot better. The head and the rake is adjustable on these, so the bike does turn a little bit sharper. Great idea. All the factories are running them, so why not MXTV? We also brought over the HGS exhaust and muffler system. Now this has been a revolution. It's the second year I've used it. This engine is already very strong. Putting this pipe on has just really livened it up and just given it that little bit more bark. This engine is rock solid with this system on it. I'm also running a States MX back brake lever as well, only because it's a little bit stronger and it's got a little bit more grip. Now the guys down at John Tipman Racing have sent us some Radiator hoses. They're Samco Radiator hoses. These things come with a lifetime warranty and they look fantastic. Again, the factory teams run them for a reason. We can see a clutch cover that is absolutely super trick. We are pumped with this one this year. It's from Force Accessories. They're made from billet aluminium. Now these clutch covers you might think cost an arm and a leg. They really don't. They're actually cheaper than aftermarket ones. A couple other little things that you might not notice. I wanted to keep a green theme for the bike this year. So we've put on Polysport green radiator louvers, some green side plate covers, and also you might see the mud flap at the back there, that's green as well. So going down to the bottom of the bike is States MX wheels. Again, we had those last year, we've got them again this year. They look fantastic, and of course Pirelli tyres. What else would we use? They've got a new tyre out, the MX32, just where we're riding here at Ride Park. They work fantastic. Last of all, we've got to thank Brian at Hands On Kawasaki. He put this bike together, always does a fantastic job. We keep taking it to Brian because he's got that attention to detail that we demand here at MXTV on our project bikes. So with all the parts on the bike, what do I think of it? I think it is absolutely fantastic. As I said, this engine is the best 250 engine Kawasaki have produced in a long time. I love this bike, I really, really do. It's a pity that I have to give it back. I'm just going to get out and clock up as many hours as I can on it and enjoy what I've got.
For all your insurance needs, visit swaninsurance.com.au.